The helmets, they look really good. I painted my samples. I've also painted the bumper bar in chrome. Now this was just a silver, the paint was really bad on it, so I sprayed it with the black, put the chrome paint on. Now I'm going to test it, I'm going to compare it to a real chrome bumper bar that's exactly the same shape as this. So yeah, let's go out and check it to a real chrome bumper bar, see if it can. Now this helmet doesn't have clear on it, so I'm going to test how durable it is. So I'm going to clean it with some wax and grease remover and a microfiber cloth, just to see how the chrome holds up. Cloth basically hasn't marked the chrome, it still looks just as good as it did when it was sprayed. Now I'm going to scratch it with the screwdriver to see how it reacts, and basically it's reacting just like normal paint. You scratch normal paint with a screwdriver and it's going to mark it, and that's what's happening. Now I'm going to apply some masking tape over the scratches, over the chrome paint, see if it peels off, and basically it's stuck really well, so good stuff. Now if you ever get any scratches or the chrome paint does start to come off the base, it's really easy to touch up. Just get your gun and spray the chrome back onto the product. This is great for touching up chrome wheels as well if you ever get scuffs in them. Well, there you go, that was the Alsa Easy Chrome Paint. I painted it on a few different surfaces and it looks pretty good. I mean, as a replication of chrome, I say it does the job. I mean, I painted this bumper bar, and when I held it up against the car with an original chrome bumper bar, you couldn't tell the difference. I mean, you definitely get away with painting it, putting it on the car, and I mean, it's quite scratch resistant. You can clean it. It's very easy to touch up. So yeah, I definitely recommend it to anyone on exterior or interior. The Easy Chrome is really good. As far as brushing it, you'd probably get a better finish if you spray it with a gun. I used a 1mm mini touch-up gun and it works really good. Brushing it, you tend to get a little bit of streaks. You can run into problems, so spraying it is probably much easier and gives you a more even finish. Now you can put a clear coat on it, that'll protect it, give it a bit more durability. It does take a little bit of the chrome look away, but it's quite durable on its own. So I'm going to spray some candy over these. Tune in on the next video. I'm going to spray the helmets. I'm going to put some candy paint on top, so gold, red. I'm also going to put some black. So yeah, tune in for that. Other than that, I hope you liked the episode. If you want to grab some of this Easy Chrome, check out my website, customspraymods.com.au. In the store, there's all the pricing and information there. If you're in Australia, check out the website. You can get some of this chrome paint. Start doing some chroming. See you next time. Also, check out my other videos. I've finished the Speed Triple, so check out the playlist, Speed T Project. Painted the wheels, the fairings, the fuel tank, did some hydro dipping on some of the fairings, so check that out. I might give you some ideas if you're ever painting a motorcycle.